Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can show layout bounds. They show a grid-like layout and on all elements. Make it easier to see margin area on certain elements. So let's start by tap on settings. Go to the settings on your phone and activate developer option. You can tap repeatedly on build number until notification show up. Developer option is on. You are on developer mode. You can tap additional settings. Here we go, developer option. You can access it now. You can scroll down and try to search the show layout bounds. Here we go, show clip boundaries, margin, etc. So the show grid layout on all elements you can turn on. As you can see, make it easier to see margin area on certain elements. Again, this is only really helpful when developing apps. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.